evening, sir. I am Cadet Franz Marco Mapunte. Bilging and permeability have significant effects on the stability of a ship. Building refers to damage to the ship's hull that allows water to enter when a compartment floods. The weight of the water lowers the ship and increases its draft. The center of gravity may rise, reduce stability. Free surface effect occurs if the water is free to move with reduce the ship's metacentric height (gm), making the ships more prone to capsizing.
Good evening, sir. I am Cadet Jaydan Robastasa from Section G2D. Now I will discuss the bilging and permeability have significant effects on stability of a ship. Permeability is the measure of how much of a space can be occupied by water when flooded. Higher permeability means more water can fill a compartment. High permeability in a flooded space results in more water weight, leading to greater loss of buoyancy and stability. Low permeability compartments flood with less water, so their impact on stability is less severe. So the conclusion: bilging increases the risk of flooding and the extent of damage influenced by the compartment permeability. Together, they can significantly reduce a ship's stability, potentially leading to capsizing if not controlled. Thank you, sir.